Rebekah. Pleasure, I'm sure. Which one's my room? Rude. Both of you.
My name's Rebekah. I'm new, and history's my favorite subject.
You can't just come here and infiltrate all of our lives.
I'm only interested in yours. Your spunk, your popularity. Maybe even your boyfriend.
It's got a pickle.
When you're willing to give me the time of day again, we'll talk. Until then, a girl has needs. Excuse me. What, no friends your own age?
Like you can talk.
This is supposed to be fun. I've been through 10 of these.
No, you're just looking at it all wrong. Can't believe you've never had one of these before.
Well, I've been in a casket for 90 years.
That's no excuse.
Why are you being so nice to me? You hate me, you should be mean.
Well, I can be mean. That's what you're into.
You're distracting me. Why?
Just trying to be a good housemate.
There's never a fair fight between us, Damon. Remember that. I have something for you. A little present.